Put it into second. All right, put it into third. Give it a little bit of gas. Fourth. Fifth. Give it a little bit of gas. All right, put it into neutral and turn it off.